Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification along with the professor and the associate professor notifications also from the 15 state or central government universities, and here there is an opportunity for the non-UGC-NET or UGC-NET or PhD, and approximately here the 6,500 plus vacancies are there, and let us see the details regarding all these universities. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC-NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC-NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here in Still Outlook website, you can check down that 15 government universities are recruiting more than 6,500 assistant professor vacancies. So you can check down the list here. So in this video we are going to see the list, and a few universities already I did videos in my YouTube channel, so you may verify, and whatever the universities left, so regarding that one, the in detail notifications that I will do in the next videos in my channel. So for all those notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, then you will get all my notifications. So here the major recruitments are from the 3 higher education institutions. So first one is the Commissionerate Higher Education Gujarat, total 780 assistant professor vacancies. Next one is the Rajasthan Public Service Commission, total 918 assistant professor vacancies. And next one is the Higher Education Department, Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commissions, total 256 assistant professor vacancies are there. Okay, so here you can check down the remaining details also. So coming to the Commissionerate of Higher Education Gujarat, 780 vacancies for the appointment of Adhyapak Sahayak in non-government grant in 8 colleges under the Department of Education. So 780 vacancies across the 36 subjects, and the last date is the 21st December 2020. And next one is Dibrugarh University. So here the total number of vacant posts are 15 are there for the assistant, associate as well as a professor. And next one is Qazi Nuzral University, total 29 faculty posts. So here you can check down that assistant professor 2, associate 17 and professor 10, and the last date for the online application is 15th December 2020. And next one is the Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. So here the total 14 vacant positions are there, assistant 8, associate 5 and the professor 1 across the 14 departments. The last date is 30th December 2020. And the next one is the Department of Higher Education, Uttar Pradesh, total 256 assistant professor vacancies are there across the 19 subjects. And here the closing date of the online application form is 24th December, but the last date for deposition of the application fee is 21st December 2020. And coming to the Assam University, a central university, total 73 faculty posts are there. Out of this one, 27 are the assistant professor vacancies, and the last date is the 14th December 2020. And next one is the Dawlatram College of University of Delhi, recruiting 121 assistant professor vacancies across the 16 departments. Next one is the Sri Dev Suman Uttarakhand University, recruiting the 44 faculty positions. Okay, so here you can check down that across the 11 departments, and assistant professor 22, associate 11 and the professors 11. Coming to the next college is the Sri Vishwakarma Skill University. It's hiring the 47 assistant professor vacancies, okay, across the 25 departments. And apart from this one, here you may check down all the universities along with the number of posts and the last date. So Higher Education Gujarat, 21st December, Guru Nanak 30th December, and Qazi Nuzral 15th December, and Chaudhry Charan Singh University 21st December, Dibrugarh University 16th December, Department of Higher Education 21st December, and Sri Dev Suman Uttarakhand University 31st December, and Daulat Ram College of University of Delhi. So it is now open. Total 121 assistant professor vacancies are there. And Sri Vishwakarma Skill University 18th December, Delhi Technological University 20th December, JC Bose University of Science and Technology 14th December, and Assam University 14th December, Rajasthan Public Service Commission 8th December, so Mahatma Gandhi University Kottayam 7th December, and Bihar State University Service Commission. Total 4,638 assistant professor vacancies are there. 10th December is the last date. Okay, so to get the accurate and the more details, please visit the official website of these universities and check down the eligibility conditions, okay, and the application procedure and the selection procedure. So all these things and the educational qualifications, so all these things you may check down by entering into the official website of these colleges, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. Please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.